Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide active status on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide active status on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture icon, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon. Tap on that three lined icon, and again over here guys, scroll down until you can find the messages and the story replies. Tap on the messages and story replies button over here, and over here guys you will be able to see the show activity status. Tap on over there, and where it says the show your active status, there is the toggle icon at the right side of your account. Just tap on it and you can see guys your active status will be turned off. And there guys, this is how to hide active status on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.